Hello, thank you for previewing my listing. If you would like to schedule an appointment to see this home, please contact me and I will be happy to arrange this for you. Spacious 2-bedroom 2-bath home on shady tree-lined street offers ample RV access. Located in East Hemet with gorgeous mountain views, this home offers privacy and a detached garage/workshop. This attractive home has benefited from many updates including panel doors, ceiling fans, tile floors, skylights and a beautifully remodeled kitchen. Both bathrooms have also been updated. With 1,445 square feet, an indoor laundry/mud room and a bonus room with French doors for your home office or gym. The kitchen offers an abundance of cabinetry, granite counters, stainless steel appliances, skylights for ample natural light and a spacious dining area.